gone. Nothing you can do to make me change my mind. Come on. Nothing you can do about it, baby. It's too late. I'm gone. Nothing you can do to make me change my mind. Come on, come on. We can't talk.
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain, and maybe in that other universe I'm a flower and you're the rain. I think somewhere in a different life I'm still 7 in 2nd grade.
Talk. Shh. I can't tell you what I want.
Nope.
You were hot. You were hot. God damn, she was hot. I met you in the summer. I never fell in love. It was the weather that made it feel.
Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa Eastwood and hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Anyway, mag-withdraw lang si Kyle and then magla-lunch na kami. So nandito kami sa Eastwood City Walk 2. So, hanap kami ng withdrawal. Ito. Hoy! Parang naliligaw. So, ayun. Dito muna tayo. Upo. Hulas. Ano? Dito tayo. So, ayun. After namin mag-lunch, iinom kami mamayang gabi. Diba? Nailing na ako kasi nag-picture kami sa labas. Init. So, wait kami kay Kyle. Matapos siyang mag-withdraw and then kakain kami. It's either Army Navy or Yellow Cab. Hindi kasi sila makapag-decide. So, ayun. Ito yung top ko pala, guys. Mamaya, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Hey guys, so ang in-order namin is Fearless Fried Chicken, Freedom Fries, at saka Liberty. So ito yung iced tea nila. So, ano to kain? Tacos. Tacos. Grabe, dalawa. Eat! So, here's our food.
The summer, I never fell in love. It was the weather that made it feel so good. By the fall you fell and then I flew away. And I only wish that I had more to say. Nothing you can do about it, baby. It's too late. I'm gone. Nothing you can do to make me change my mind. Come on, come on. Nothing you can do about it.
I think there's another universe.
Manifesting. Pipuli ng OA. Bibili ka ba? Ayan. Ano sabi? Okay guys, so nandito kami sa Power Max Center. Nag-check lang sila ng time pa lang. Pero di naman sila bibili. Sakot. Parang natumawid na tayo. Manifesting, makabili ng MacBook.
Where I haven't yet felt pain.
Ganito lang trip ko yun. Ito lang, ganyan ang gagawin ko hanggang makain eh.
Kasi ganyan yung ice to me card.
Ito.
Sige, bakit mo ko?
And maybe in that other universe I'm a flower and you're the rain.
Isa. Nawawala si Pauline, dito mo lang pupuntahan.
Ano sabi mo?
Pag nawawala si Pauline, dito mo lang pupuntahan.
Bakit? Bakit?
Kasi lagi siyang may kaanuhan dito.
Saka magaling magbukas ng ano eh, bote eh.
Alam na alam eh, bawat galaw. Hawak pa lang nung ano eh. Alam mo na eh.
Ginage ka, no?
Parang kaya niyang ano, kahit nakapikit siya, alam niya kung saan ba na nakapwesto yung bote ng
I think somewhere in a different life I'm still 7 in 2nd grade And I'm so happy that I feel alright And that I haven't met my brain
sa Life Homes. Tingin mo meron?
Hindi ko alam.
Pag meron, bibigyan kita 1,000. Chicken.
Bilasin ka ba? Bilang.
Pag ako hindi nakauwi sa tricycle mo. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Next year. Bye-bye, Kyle.
Bye.
Pakita mo yung alak. Mabilis, pakita mo. Pakita mo.
Bye, Paul.
Bye, Kyle. Message ka
Hindi
sa
ko
DC.
sinasadya.
Saan? Sa laway niya.
Eh, kung dito ko.
Mama, tatawag naman yun eh.
Spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly.